How to find motherboard model number in Windows 11. Knowing your motherboard model is essential when upgrading hardware or troubleshooting compatibility issues. So let's dive in and learn how to find the motherboard model number in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu. Then type on the search bar, System Information. Select the corresponding app from the search results. Once the System Information window is open, look for the System Summary section on the left hand side. Under System Summary, you will find various details about your computer, including the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product fields. These fields represent the motherboard manufacturer and model number respectively. Take a note of the motherboard model number, as this will be necessary for any future references or hardware upgrades. If you are unable to find the motherboard model number through System Information, there are a couple of alternative methods you can try. Click on the Start menu. Then type on the search bar CMD. Then click on Run as Administrator on the right hand side. Then type this. Then press Enter. Now you can see some details of your motherboard, like manufacturer or product model. Another method will be, you can use third-party software like CPUZ to gather detailed information about your computer, including the motherboard model. If any method doesn't work for you, then the last option is to check the physical motherboard itself. Open up your computer case, look for a label or engraving on the motherboard that displays the model number. That's it. You have successfully learned how to find the motherboard model number on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial reviewer channel for more videos.